Thanks for coming out to the M240 drop test video today. You don't have to worry about being distracted by bikini models. It's just going to be me. This is really no way to take care of your tools. Coming up on some spectacular slow motion photography. At this point, even I'm expecting roadkill. Wow. I have the air down on the passenger side to 10 psi. Keep in mind, it's 112 outside, so I'm only doing 2 tires for this demo. The time lapse was about 7 minutes for the 2 tires to 35. Hopefully, we'll get our other model back for the next video.